Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix sign out not available due to restrictions. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings. From here guys, you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection and then tap on VPN, and you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is unconnected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect it, and after that go back, tap on general, and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update it first and then scroll down, tap on return time and make sure that your return time is correct and set automatically is turned on. And after that you have to just simply go back and again go back, scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down, tap on content and presentation and turn this toggle off. Now after turning it off, you have to just simply restart your device for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.